bread and sweetener. B is for ball, round and bouncy on your feet. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog, who loves to chase the ball. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. Your G is for giraffe, tall and neat. H is for hat that you wear on the street. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, wiggly and bright. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar cry. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for nest in the tall green tree. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. P is for penguin, waddling with glee. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger, with stripes and might. U is for umbrella, for rainy weather. V is for van, let's ride together. W is for whale, singing a song. X is for xylophone, ding ding all day long. Y is for yak, fuzzy and fun. Z is for zebra, always on the run. That's our ABCs from A to Z, learning letters so happily. Clap your hands and smile with me. We are super kids. We're smart and fun. Just wait and see. A is for apple, A apple. B is for ball, B ball. C is for cat, C cat. D is for dog, D dog. E is for elephant, E elephant. F is for fish, F fish. G is for goat, G goat. H is for hat, H hat. I is for igloo, I igloo. J is for juice, J juice. K is for kangaroo, K kangaroo. L is for lion, L lion. M is for monkey, M monkey. N is for nest, N nest. O is for octopus, O octopus. P is for pig, P pig. Q is for queen, Q queen. R is for ring, R ring. S is for sun, S sun. T is for train, T train. U is for umbrella, U umbrella. V is for van, V van. W is for watch, W watch. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Super Kids TV.